Well, 1995 Jeep YJ update, which at this point it's just about done. Just a little bit more cleaning. Have to do clear sill tape. Again, I have to use Goo Gone to get the old residue off. Because of little bubbles and stuff on the bottom, I repainted the bottom in the original color. It is not exactly, because the top's faded, the original paint's faded, so it didn't match up 100% perfect, but I could have done it black all the way around, like stone chip black. It is stone chip underneath it. It's a tan stone chip, which may be why it came out a little bit brighter. I didn't think if I used the black gravel guard stuff, if I sprayed red on it, I thought it would just be impossible to get the red to show. Oh, booked in tomorrow for the windshield. But yeah, other than that, everything is done. I've got new brakes, new suspension, everything has been done underneath, new exhaust. Everything that needed to be done is done. I just washed it. First time it's been washed since I got it. 1 second while I open this hood. Again, it's the 2.5 4-cylinder, 5-speed standard. Oh, and the splash shield on the bottom, the little rubber, it's like a rubber mat held in with some clips. I'm just waiting for the clips to show up because, as you guys know, COVID has made everything impossible to get. So, look at my garage, look at the mess. This is my work in progress mess. When I'm working on a project, nothing gets cleaned until project is done. So anyway, yeah, I'll let you see the interior. 106,000 kilometers. Original cassette tape and radio still works nicely enough. The only stock third brake plate I could find was one off of a TJ, and they mount a little bit different. Once it says spare wheels on here, you're not going to notice that this is slightly askew to that side, but that is the only way to get it dead center of the rear window. And just got two sway bar end links that when I get to safety tomorrow, because my oxyacetylene torch is tiny and I'm out of oxygen and acetylene, and COVID again, can't get it. So the garage that does the safety, I'll just get them to do the torch those bolts off, because you got to heat them up to get the sway bar end links off. They've been on there for what, 30 years? Just for fun. Here's the original front rotors. There's actually not even a groove on them. No groove. But I put all new pads. The rear shoes weren't even really worn, but they did have chunks out of some of the shoes. This is my metal recycling pile, sorry. You can see the chunks out of the shoes just from them being open. And this is the front discs, probably asbestos. When was the last time you saw a riveted pad on a front, sorry, did I say front discs? These are the front pads. When was the last time you saw a riveted one? They're all bonded for the last like 30 years, 20 years. Shocks were absolutely toast. I had to cut those, cut them out of the bottom, you know, the bolt that slips through the metal bushing. Nobody ever greases those when they put them together, so that was done in. Original exhaust is sitting here. All that's going to the scrap metal. And yeah, that's about it. It runs really good. I just took it for a ride around the block. Shifts in and out of four-wheel drive, no problem. I just need gas. I shouldn't be having it running right now, because I have check that. That's the old switch on and off. It's likely O2 sensor, maybe? Not sure. I think it was O2 sensor last time I checked it, but I assumed it would go away when the new exhaust was on. But I'll check the number for that. This one little piece will not stay flush there. So I think I'm going to pull that out, heat it up, and then bend it backwards, heat it from behind, and put it in an oven for half an hour and then push it down, because that will drive me insane. Lights all work, gauges all work. Oil pressure's good. Temperature's just getting up to temperature, and battery's good. And the radio, oddly enough, like I said, does work. So, anyway, yeah, this is how she looks, and I will update once I get the spare back on and get a new windshield. But thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, share, comment, anything. Thank you.